The mission of the Conservation Lab here in the libraries is to make sure that materials are available for use both now and in the future. We do a wide variety of things here within the lab, including environmental monitoring, where we check the temperature and humidity of our collection spaces, prepare for disasters such as floods, and also we do a lot of targeted treatments on items within our collection. That includes anything from spine repairs or fixing the boards and backings of books to more complicated targeted treatments of special collections items. We really do think of ourselves as stewards of the collection, and that informs the work that we do here.
I love doing spine repair so much because it's like a rebirth of the book. It's a little silly to say, but it's just awesome to see like the before and after pictures and knowing that you have such an impact on something, and it's so visually apparent as well. It's really cool. Before working here, I definitely took for granted the library. I didn't realize that there's so many people and so much work that goes behind each book. I think that realizing how much work is being put into these books encourages me to work even harder here because I know someone is expecting a book in their hands.